Kahekili's forces were so weakened he could no longer mount a meaningful resistance. To learn more about the battle, be sure to visit the Iao Valley outside of Wailuku. By 1795, Kamehameha returned to finish conquering Maui, went on to become the first ruler of all Hawaii, after also invading and winning fierce battles on the island of Oahu. Now, just a quick side note, Captain Cook sailed past Maui, but never set foot on the island.
I thought he said Captain
The first
Kirk.
European to do so was the famous French explorer La Perouse. He defied orders to claim Maui
So
from
you
the
can
French.
see that waterfall that we couldn't see
This might
before.
be a very different place. Bonjour.
Oh, very nice. It's pretty. Oh.
The app doesn't show us where we are, like, in terms of being to the end of it, does it by any chance?
No, but I could take this off and I could put,
Thoughts, sir.
well, I don't need to hear these stories either.
Alright, well, if you're done with
I'm
them.
fine. I just didn't want to miss anything on the way.
Yeah.
Alright, let me turn that off and I'll put the GPS on.
Yeah, it'd be nice to hear some music again, too.
Yeah.
After Captain Cook mapped the Sandwich
Hey,
Islands,
I
contact
told
with
you you were
Europeans
done.
was becoming more frequent for the Hawaiians. For the first half,
You're done.